The first day of the first lunar month is Spring Festival, the beginning of a new year for China. Spring Festival is China's biggest extravaganza and a day for family reunion. Being around family members at the turn of the year is a vital ritual for the Chinese people. The Spring Festival celebration is a continuous process. Starting from the 23rd or 24th of the 12th lunar month, people often worship the kitchen god, clean their houses, do their shopping, and put up Spring Festival couplets until New Year's Eve on the lunar calendar. These customs can be traced back to a Chinese legend. It is said that in ancient times, there was a monster named Yan who would come out and harm the world by the end of each lunar year. People then took measures to send the monster away, such as putting up red couplets as Yan detested the color red, and setting off fireworks and firecrackers at their doors to scare it away. In addition to staying up late on New Year's Eve, having a New Year's Eve dinner and watching the Spring Festival Gala are two important customs of Spring Festival. New Year's Eve dinner are manifested in different ways in different parts of China. Those in South China must have a dish of fish, because fish in Chinese sounds similar to the character for prosperity, symbolizing an abundant and comfortable life. Those in North China often eat dumplings, which symbolize reunion and fortune. There's also a custom of giving and receiving red envelopes, or hongbao. Traditionally, adults place the money into red envelopes and give them to the children to wish them peace and good luck in the coming year. Nowadays, with the popularization of mobile payment in China, it is a trend to send red envelopes digitally. The internet can deliver New Year's wishes to each and every loved one, even if they are thousands of miles away. The joyous atmosphere of Chinese New Year will linger until the first full moon of the first lunar month. Then, the Lantern Festival is celebrated, which is bound to be another busy day.
Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.